Okay, in this video, we will describe the steps in solving example 8 and exercise 0.1, number 38. For the example 8, which is A, 8 times 2 plus 3 equals blah blah blah. For the answer, the first step we must take to solve the problem is to know what operations are contained in the problem. In this expression, have the two operations, addition and multiplication, separate three numbers. Accordance with agreement, the multiplication operation will be performed first, followed by the addition operation.
So, 8 times 2 equals 16 becomes 16 plus 3 equals 19. The result in this expression is 19.
For example B, 5 times 3 plus 4 in parentheses plus 2 equals blah blah blah. To solve this problem in accordance with rules for the order of operation, begin with the innermost parentheses and work outward. So, we need to finish the operation that are in parentheses first. 3 plus 4 in parentheses equals 7 becomes 5 times 7 plus 2 blah blah blah. So, multiply first. 5 times 7 equals 35 becomes 35 plus 2, then followed by the addition operation. 35 plus 2 equals 37. So the result is 37. C. 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 4 times 7 equals blah blah blah. To solve this problem, of course, what must be solved first is the multiplication contained in the denominator, which is 4 times 7 equals 28, becomes 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 28 equals, so that the operation in the numerator are added, which is 2 plus 5 equals 7. The same is done with the denominator, which is 2 plus 28 equals 30, becomes 7 divided by 30, so the result is 7 divided by 30.
Example D, 2 plus in the brackets 4 plus 2 times 10 plus 6 in parentheses blah blah blah. The solution is, if we find the form of a problem like this, we have to follow the appropriate operating rules, which is solving parentheses first before brackets, so that we get 10 plus 6 equals 16. For the next step, complete the multiplication operation, which is 2 times 16 equals 32. And addition operation in brackets, that is 4 plus 32 equals 36. So the result of the problem above is 38. Exercise 0.1, number 38. 2 times inside the brackets 8 minus 3 times 4 plus 2 in parentheses minus 3 blah blah blah. The solution is, in the form of an operation like the exercise above, of course the operation is complete by combining several operations including multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The first step to solving the problem, if we have parentheses and brackets in one problem, it just means you have to do what is inside of the parentheses first. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. The next step, we will solving multiplication operation in brackets, which is 3 times 6 equals 18. So then, the result of the match operation that's inside brackets is minus 10. The next step, the multiplication operation is solved first, then the subtraction operation. So, the result of the exercise above is minus 23. Okay guys, that is explanation about evaluate numerical expression. We hopefully it can be useful for us, and thank you!